Kevin here, and today I'm here to review a new product for you. If you're new to my channel, please do hit that like button. Feel free to comment. I do respond typically back to some of the comments. And then also be sure to subscribe to my channel. So today I'm here to talk to you about a smartwatch. The holiday season is upon us, and I was trying to think of a good mystery gift to kind of hand out, but I didn't want to spend a lot of money, and so I started kind of perusing Amazon to figure out, well, what would be a good gift. And Qidoou Smartwatch is one of the products I came across. It's a Bluetooth sports watch that will connect to your iPhone or any Android phone. I have the Samsung Note 9. It connects to it with no problem. I wanted to test it out and kind of review it to you guys. So first off, when you order it, this is the box, pretty straightforward. Watch is in there. It comes with a little charging cable, no brick. So hopefully you have a brick laying around. It's just standard charging cable. And then it comes with an instruction manual. So in regard to charging, I wish it was kind of the newer standard, because my phone is that and I could use the same cable, but it's no big deal. Obviously these are very plentiful. So the phone, how the watch works is once you get it, you connect it, like I said, via Bluetooth, and then there's two apps. There's an app that you download, which they include these tags here that you can just scan, or you can search in Google Play or the Apple Store. But the one app called FunRun, that is basically what the app uses to do because it does, it's a Pedometer, so it will determine how far you're walking and any workout you're doing. And then sleep mode, if you wear the watch when you sleep, you want to know how long you're sleeping, it'll record that information, and so it does it through that app. The other one is called BT notification. Now that one's the more important one, because how I see using this is if my phone's sitting on my desk, or if you're a lady and you have your phone in your purse, then the notifications will go to your watch. If somebody's calling, it'll tell you who you're calling. You can either answer it via the watch or ignore the call. Answering it through the watch is kind of weird because it's, you're talking through your watch. So I kind of, would prefer to talk through the cell phone. But, so this is what it looks like. Here, I'll take it off so you guys can see it. It's the wristband is a silicone type band. I will say it's a little hard. It takes a little bit getting used to putting on, because to keep having this flap here, it slides in the slot and then you push this through. So it just takes a little practice getting used to that, instead of having it come through and then having a little slider here that latches onto it. The back, so this watch does support if you want to just connect it to your cell phone network without going through the Bluetooth. It does have a SIM card slot in the back. It also has a MicroSD card, so you pop off this back cover and you can slide both of those two items in. Some of the apps won't function unless you have a SIM card or an SD card in there. So then on the side here, this is this little rubber thing here is where you charge it up. Now I will say it doesn't last very long. The battery, with just average wearing it, by the end of the day it's out of its juice. So you need to charge it pretty much every day, which when I had an old Samsung watch, it was pretty similar to that. That watch would last a day and a half. So, and then here is the button on the side. So there's three kind of faces. This is the main screen. As you can see, you've got the phone. It's got a clock here and military time, and then this is your kind of contact settings and menu. If you press it again, this is the standard watch face, and then you slide it. You can change the face of your watch depending on what style you like. And then if you swipe up, it takes you back to this screen. Now if you slide it again here, it'll take you to all the apps. So you can see there's the Bluetooth mode. It has a calendar, your phone. You can check your call logs, which is kind of nice. Your contacts. If you need to record anything, it plays music. It has a calculator. Here's the camera mode. You just click there, and then you can see there's a camera in there. Obviously, the quality of the camera is what you would expect for a camera and a watch. Has a gallery, your settings, some more communication items, and then here's some more apps. Here's your tracking. It's got Twitter in here. So like I said, it's got a lot of stuff. There's Chrome. There's a little bit of everything, and it's for the price point. It was a great little buy. I can't complain about it. I mean, don't buy this expecting it to be equal to Apple's watch or the Samsung Gear watches, because those are in another bracket. But if you're looking if there's a kid that wants a smartwatch and you don't want to break the bank on one, for example, I picked this up. It's like $25, $26. So it's worth looking into that. Like I said, I was wanting to give something unique or different this coming holiday season, so that's kind of what made me spur to check it out before I buy another one to give as a mystery Santa gift. I'll put some more specs down below, and then I'll include a link if you want to go check it out on Amazon yourself and keep an eye on it and read some of the other reviews with it. Like I said, I've been very happy with it. The only things there is, the battery life's kind of short. That would be one of my only complaints. And then the wrist strap's a little hard getting on. But for the most part, what I use it for, text messages comes through, answering the phones is great. I don't use the camera or the gallery, but it has those features. So it's kind of tailored to what you like. So if you like music all the time, you can use it for that. And that's kind of it. They do have a 90-day return policy if you're not happy with it. And they say it's water resistant, but it's not any waterproof. So don't wear this in the shower, don't go swimming with it, don't go in the pool, that kind of stuff. But obviously walking around outside in the rain, it'll do just fine. So feel free, like I said, hit the like button, comment below. I'll be sure to answer any questions or comments people have. And until the next time, you guys take it easy, and I'll see you on the flip. Thanks. Bye. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.